Over the past few days, I've been getting these cute trending animal videos on my YouTube feed more often. So, I did some research on the channel, and I was literally shocked. They started this channel only 3 months ago, and they're already making thousands of dollars every single month. The most important thing is that the videos are entirely created by artificial intelligence. Just take a look at this example video. Today, I'll unlock the secret to creating the exact same videos, step by step, for free using AI tools. So, now it's time to grab your drink and stay with me until the end. Let's get started.
Step 1. Generating tiny animal prompts.
Alright, in order to achieve these images, we need better prompts. To do this, you can either use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, as both look similar. This time, I'll go with Perplexity AI. Go to Perplexity using my video description link. It's completely free. Unlike ChatGPT, you don't need to sign up to access it. All you have to do is type modify this prompt, then copy and paste my description prompt. After pasting it, add a semicolon and type create 5 prompts, each featuring a different tiny animal, and then click enter. Perplexity will then provide 5 different prompts for you.
Step 2. Generating images with AI tools.
Now let's turn our prompt idea into AI images. Here are the 3 best free AI image generators. Let's try them one by one. First on our list is Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI and sign up with your email or Google account. Click Image Creation, then select Leonardo Phoenix from the preset options. Choose Auto, select the 3D render style, pick your desired dimension ratio, copy and paste the prompt from Perplexity AI, and click Generate. There you go, you'll have 4 images to choose from. Click on an image to zoom in. Once you're satisfied, click Download. Number 2 on our list is Tensor Art. Go to Tensor AI using my description link. Click Create, choose the model Flux, select the aspect ratio, copy and paste the prompt from Perplexity AI, choose the number of images, and click Generate. These images will take a few seconds to generate. Let's wait for a few minutes until the image generation is complete. By the way, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel and learn how to access over 600 AI tools. Now, let's go back and look at our results. Click on an image to zoom in. The results are absolutely amazing. They are exactly what we created in Leonardo AI. If you're okay with that, click Download. Number 3 on our list is PicLumen AI. Go to PicLumen AI using my description link. Click Generate for free, then click Create. Select the model, click the aspect ratio, choose the number of images, paste your prompt here, and click Generate. It will provide the images for you. Once you're satisfied with them, click Download to save them to your system.
Step 3. Transforming your images into video.
Here are the top 3 free AI video generators. In this video, let's try Pixverse. Go to Pixverse and sign up with your email or Gmail account. Click the image icon to upload your image, type a prompt like make a movable elephant, and click Create. That's it. Wait a few seconds for the video to generate. Once you get the output, click to view it. If you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save it to your system. Along with this recent output, I've generated a few more videos for you, so please enjoy.